Hey there, Charles back with you, and just welded this bracket on there. It looks like the plan worked out pretty well. I was able to do some pretty tight spot welds in through those holes and use some pretty good current and really burn those in, which means it melts not just the metal on the bracket, but the metal that's underneath it. And it appeared that we kept the rest of the housing pretty cool. So this baby is ready to get reinstalled. Now you'll notice I get to carry it up that ladder. So have you ever seen those videos where people fall? We're gonna see if we
Stay tuned.
Try very hard to not make one of those videos here. And so as you can see, this is heavy. Here I go.
Okay.
So, are you ready?
I'm gonna try to hold the ladder and film at the same time.
Yeah.
And Charles is gonna try
so
to.
heavy.
He's gonna try to not drop it on my head.
Yeah.
Because that would be unfortunate.
And I want to be available for those of you who are attending any of my conferences in the future. I want to be in one piece so that